Namaste, friends. My name is Nisha Thakur, and I am a maths online tutor. In this series, we are doing transformations of functions, and here is the question about combining shifting, stretching, and reflecting. Here is the question given. Um, Sketch the graph of the function fx equal 1 minus 2x minus 3 square. So can you see here what is original function? So here x square, y equal x square. So we start with y equal x square, and then here x minus 3 square. It means here y, this function, this parabola, actually x square, it means this type of parabola. So here x minus 3 square, it means 3 unit right side. Okay, so this means parabola or function shift 3 unit right side. So y equal minus 2 x minus 3 square. Okay, so this graph reflects in the x-axis and is stretched by factor 2. Now fx equal, here add 1, here add 1, it means shift 1 unit upside. Okay, now we can plot these functions in the graph paper. So this is original function y equal x square. Now this shift 3 unit right side, and this is y equal x minus 3 square, and here multiply with minus 2. It means this is reflects in the x-axis and is stretched by factor 2. And here this is here we add 1. It means this graph shifts 1 unit upside. Okay, this is upside. So this is our final graph, fx equal 1 minus 2 x minus 3 square. So very simple graphing, and here combining, shifting, reflecting, and stretching. Very simple. If you have any doubt, please ask me. And if you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye. Have a nice time.